Today, we'll explore the intriguing influence of the star lord of the sublord of the second house when it resides in the eighth house. This placement has significant implications on various aspects of life, including wealth, inheritance, transformation, and more. By delving into this aspect of astrology, we can gain deeper insights into our life's path and how to navigate it. Step 1. Locate sublord and nakshatra lord in chart. Finding sublord of house or cusp from cusps table in KP Astrology. Check for the row of house you want to analyze. Check for the SB column. The cell where the cusp row and SB column meets is the sublord of that house. Finding or star lord of sublord in planets table. In our example, Moon is sublord. Locate the row of sublord and corresponding NL column. The cell where sublord row and NL column meets is or star lord of that sublord. Location of star lord in KP chart. In above example, sublord of second house, Moon, from cusp table, and this Moon star lord, Mars, from planets table, is in 8th house. Understanding the second and 8th houses. The second house in astrology primarily deals with wealth, speech, family values, and early education. It reflects our material resources, how we accumulate wealth, and how we express ourselves verbally. The second house also signifies the values and traditions we inherit from our family. The 8th house, often known as the house of transformation, deals with deeper aspects of life such as death, rebirth, inheritance, and shared resources. It governs secrets, the occult, and significant transformations. This house represents the profound changes that shape our lives, often through crisis or intense experiences. The role of the star lord and sublord. In Vedic astrology, the concept of the star lord, nakshatra lord, and the sublord adds a layer of nuance to our readings. The star lord can significantly modify the results of the house it rules, and the sublord gives additional insights into the finer aspects of one's life. The star lord represents the core essence and primary influences, while the sublord refines and specifies how these influences manifest in daily life. When the star lord of the sublord of the second house is positioned in the 8th house, it often indicates unexpected gains through inheritance, insurance, or other people's resources. There can be sudden changes in financial status, both positive and negative. This placement can also suggest that wealth comes from transformative events or through dealing with crisis. Example: an individual might receive a significant inheritance after a relative's passing or benefit from an insurance payout. The 8th house is all about transformation and personal growth. This alignment can lead to profound personal changes and a deeper understanding of oneself. The individual may experience significant life events that lead to personal rebirth or metamorphosis. Example: someone may go through a difficult period, such as a serious illness or a major career change, which ultimately leads to a newfound strength and perspective on life. The second house governs speech, and its star lord in the 8th house can give a mysterious or profound quality to one's communication. These individuals might have a talent for uncovering hidden truths or discussing taboo subjects with ease. Example: a writer or speaker who focuses on topics like psychology, the occult, or deep-seated emotional issues can illustrate this impact. The second house deals with family values and traditions, and with its star lord in the 8th house, there can be a transformative influence on these areas. The individual might break away from traditional family values to create their own path, or they might uncover hidden family secrets that change their understanding of their heritage. Example: someone might discover a hidden aspect of their family history, such as ancestral practices or secrets, which alters perspective on the family values. Spiritually, this placement enhances one's ability to delve into the depths of their psyche. The eighth house's influence encourages exploring the unknown, leading to a deep understanding of the self and the mysteries of life. This can result in a strong interest in psychology, esotericism, or healing practices. Example: an individual might become a psychologist or a healer, using their understanding of deep emotional and psychological issues to help others. Understanding this placement can help individuals navigate life's ups and downs more effectively. For astrology enthusiasts and practitioners, recognizing these influences allows for more accurate readings and better guidance. Advising a client to embrace change and transformation based on this placement can lead to significant personal and spiritual growth. Example: encouraging someone with this placement to explore fields related to transformation, such as psychology or crisis management.